Hi there, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making a really simple pasta in white sauce recipe. This is crammed full of tasty vegetables and other ingredients, plus it's perfect for reheating at a later date. Now firstly we'll prepare our ingredients. Chop 4 rashers of rindless smoked back bacon, 200 grams of washed closed cut mushrooms, 1 red pepper and half a broccoli. Next, take a large saucepan or a saute pan and place over medium heat on the stove. Heat up some olive oil, then add these chopped ingredients to the pan. Now fry all of these ingredients for about 10 minutes while stirring continuously until the juices from the mushrooms have evaporated off. Then set these vegetables aside and now we'll make our white sauce. So take a clean saucepan and place over a low heat on the stove. Melt 25 grams of butter, then add 25 grams of plain flour. Mix these 2 ingredients together using a wooden spoon to make a roux. Then pour into the saucepan 300 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk. Then, whilst remaining over a low heat, continuously whisk the sauce, usually for about 10 minutes, until the sauce has thickened up nicely. And also at this stage, prepare 150 grams of dried penne pasta according to the instructions on the packet. Now, when you're happy with the consistency of your white sauce, add 25 grams of parmesan cheese. Then mix this into the white sauce until it's melted in completely. Also, if you like, grind in plenty of pepper to give your white sauce a bit of a kick. And now we can start putting everything together. So with your pasta drained from its water, pour the pasta into the vegetables and bacon that we set aside earlier. Also pour in all of that delicious white sauce, then mix everything together until all the ingredients are covered in the sauce. And then simply serve up straight away while still hot, garnished with some freshly chopped parsley. And that is how to make this delicious pasta in white sauce recipe that is simply bursting with flavour.